In our last episode, we learned what melts first, but today we're turning up the heat. Let's travel to the hottest places in the universe, from burning planets to stars that glow blue. First stop, the planets. You might think Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is the hottest, but it's not. The real record holder is Venus. Its thick clouds trap heat, making it about 475 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt lead. Mercury, with no atmosphere, gets to 430 degrees Celsius during the day, but freezes at night. But wait, there are planets outside our solar system, called exoplanets, that are even hotter. Some of them are so close to their stars, they're like giant fireballs. One of the hottest is called Kelt 9b. It can reach over 4,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than some stars. On some exoplanets, it's so hot that rocks can vaporize and fall as liquid metal rain. Let's come back to Earth for a moment. The hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 56 degrees Celsius in Death Valley. That's like standing in an oven. Volcano lava can reach 1,200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock. And lightning? Boom! It can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. In some deserts, the sand gets so hot people can fry eggs on the ground. Now, let's visit our very own sun, the ultimate heat machine. The surface of the sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, but its core is even hotter, around 15 million degrees Celsius. That's hotter than any fire on Earth. It's so hot that atoms smash together, a process called fusion, making all the light and warmth we get every day. Did you know the sun has cool spots called sunspots? They're darker because they're only about 3,500 degrees Celsius, but that's still super hot. And when the sun gets angry, it shoots out solar flares, giant explosions millions of degrees hot that can even affect our satellites on Earth. But wait, the sun isn't even the hottest star out there. Some stars shine blue, not yellow, and that means they're way hotter. Blue stars can reach 40,000 degrees Celsius on their surface. The bigger and bluer the star, the hotter it burns. But it also lives a shorter life. Big blue stars burn their fuel so fast they may only live a few million years, while smaller stars can live billions of years. And stars are like giant factories. They create heavy elements like iron, gold, and even the carbon in your body. And the hottest thing ever recorded? Not a star, but a supernova. When a giant star explodes, it can reach temperatures of 100 billion degrees. That's so hot, it creates new elements. Even scientists can't fully imagine that heat. Near a black hole, gas can spin so fast it gets hotter than stars before falling in. And neutron stars are so dense and hot, a teaspoon of them would weigh more than a mountain. Scientists on Earth even created superhot plasma at CERN, over 4 trillion degrees Celsius, hotter than a supernova, for just a moment. Some quick facts. Lightning, 30,000 degrees Celsius. Spacecraft re-entry, hotter than lava. Metal can turn straight into gas without melting. Some stars are so hot they shine ultraviolet light you can't even see. So, from Venus to exploding stars, the universe is full of places that could melt, vaporize, or sizzle anything. Next time, we'll cool things down with the coldest places in the universe. Until then, keep your curiosity burning bright.